Hello, moi Simamla. In the Sawa Hornbill TV Roundup News. Health and Family Welfare Department pra kali June 8 pra shuru kurigina June 18 tak COVID vaccination drive intensify korle ase. Department Principal Director Dr. Nekrile Kimio pra press release se junaishi town or bosti laga health facilities or outreach session sites of Monday pra Friday tak cover kurbo. Idunimide 18 sal pra 44 aro 45 sal upper sub ki COVID shield vaccination lule junaishi. Vaccine lule nijor laga bosti nuilbi panchayat chairman medical officer in charge ANM A Asha nuile angawati khan logode nijor laga jaga de kitia vaccination diule se hudibi kushe. District officials kampra online registration aro booking kuriya khan ge CVCs dia khan nami lagina sopi on site registration or vaccination hubu kushe. People with disability khan ge nijor laga healthcare workers logori contact kurigina vaccination lubule janaishe kintu tai khan karne special priority dibu kushe. Beneficiaries khan ge COVID appropriate behavior khan follows kurubule janaishe. Food Safety Nagaland pra June 7th 3rd World Safety Day manishe State Public Health Laboratory CM office pra idudin laga team thagishe Safe Food Now for a Healthy Tomorrow.
Nagaland Sarkar Principal Secretary aro Food Safety Commissioner Amardeep Singh Patia pra talaga keynote speech tegushe 2018 de June 7th ke World Food Safety Day banaishe. Idu dindo general public kan ge food safety awareness anigina kha loa saman para bimar ula kan jani dibule nimide ase gushe. Aya dinde sobge bachabule nimide food chain jai thagibule lage kohina Patia pra Naga society de kha habit aro lifestyle change huado phal na hua gushe. Kha saman pana manukan hotel food chain suppliers aro food stalls kan safa rakhya chanibule lage aro authorities kan khali niyam nathaligina encourage pi kuribule lage gushe. Food analyst Krukutolu Veswo aro dalaga team bra demonstration cum interactive discussion lushe kuditakan bra kiniga pal aro bia x bani sapa nathakya aro kha saman kande coloring dia giniga chanibole paribo edukan ge dikhaise. Deputy Director Dr. John Kemp para program chair gurishe aro Assistant Food Safety Commissioner Sentong Kapa Chamir para vote of thanks dishe.
Department of Public Health and Engineering Minister Jacob Ajimomi pra duita portable high frequency diagnostic X-rays machines Dimapur laga designated COVID hospital Dimapur district hospital ge donate kushe. The machines kando Dimapur Deputy Chief Medical Officer Antoli Su aro Deputy Commissioner Saundara Rajan ge handover kushe. Minister pra kushe state sokar pra citizen khan laga safety aro COVID-19 laga spread content kule pariyatak modot diwo. Taipra citizens khan ke sorkar pra rakhya protocols manibule appeal kushe. Nagaland Adventure Club pra healthcare workers kan laga service appreciate kurigina khala saman khan COVID-19 designated kurigina Rakhya Naga Hospital Authority Kohima aro District Hospital Dimapur de bhakrisha.
Nagaland Adventure Club pra Monday puchur ekta kahuri marigina idulaga mongso health workers kan ge phakuri dishe Gohima aro Dimapur laga duita hospital de. Club laga member Narola Chatibra healthcare dia aro frontline workers kan kun daikan laga time digina virus ke rukhabule koshish kuri ase idu kan ge acknowledge kurigina koishe state manu sob logode club pi idu manu kan ge bishi grateful ase aro daikan bra daikan ekla laga life no hoigina daikan laga mon osore Gya manukan laga life pi risk de taligina sacrifice die kushe chati bra koshe COVID-19 laga patients kan bor khabule mon thagilebi na pabra daikan idu step lushe hospital duida de egrati holebi khabule nimite hospital de manu bishi bhal hoi ja opor dai khushi jonagina koshe healthcare aro frontline workers kan daikan laga sob digina kam kuria janigina mon aram pa koshe.
Hardware Merchants Association Kampra application dia hisab te Dimapur Deputy Commissioner Saundara Rajan pra Dimapur dia hardware dukan khan Tuesday, Thursday aur Saturday din khan te pujur 6 baji pra 12 baji tak khule ule order dishe. Order de kushe dukan malik khan pra COVID-19 standard operating procedures khan maintain kurule responsible huwa. Edu order de June 8 pra shuru huwa kushe. The next news. Noklak Police pra SP Dr. Pritpal Kaur laga supervision under के free ambulance service जैसे town manukhan के police कामपरा Noklak town manukhan के घोर pra COVID-19 hospital जावले hospital पर वापस घर आइवले घर पर फ्लू क्लिनिक जावले आरो कोविड केयर सेंटर पर घर जावले निमिदे एम्बुलेंस सर्विस फ्री पर दिएसे इदुदे नोक्लाक लगा पुलिस पर एसएमओ डॉक्टर विक्टर लगा अंडर दे सीएचसी लोगोरी मिलिगिना सर्विस के भाव पर जावले काम करिएसे मेडिकल डिपार्टमेंट आरो पब्लिक खान इदु टाइम दे जल्दी एम्बुलेंस सर्विस लाग्या परा इदु स्टेप उठाइसे मेडिकल इमरजेंसीज खान दे इनिगा सर्विस लाग्या जल्दी जिस कुरिना बीमारगे नफिला बोली निमिदे मनखान के इदु सर्विस लगा मदद लगिले ताइ खान लगा पोस्टर्स खान दिलखी गिना रखया नंबर्स खान के कांटेक्ट करिबे कुशा Aji Monday 145 Nutun COVID-19 positive cases to Rishi, 108 Dimapur pra paishe, 16 Kifri pra, 16 Kohima pra, Mokchung de 15 June, Perende 4 June, Zunopoto dewi 4 June, 3 June fake pra, 2 June waka pra, Aronglen pra 1 June positive huina to Rishi. Manu 169 June aji recover kurilushe, aro 3 June laga jan jaishe. Manipur laga Chief Minister N. Byron Singh pra aji ekta interfaith prayer thakya de participate kuishe sacred jaga Kangla laga Western Gate idu pratna kuriya program dota laga supervision thakya gina kuishe aru coronavirus lagodi divine healing aro bachuli nimide lushe
Archbishop Most Reverend Dominic Lumon aro Sri Govindaji Temple Port All Manipur Christian Organization Jamiat El Ulema Lining to Sanamahi Temple Port, Tingkau Rangwang Chapriak, Jiani Gurudwara Prabhata Committee, Sri Dikambara Jain Samaj aro Kabui Popai Chapriak laga priest kanpra, Isorge Pal Hubule aro Pachibule Nimide State aro Dunia Sob Karne Pratna Kurishe. Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Sri Awangbo Neumai, Education Minister Sri S. Rajan, TA aro Hills Minister Vungzakin Valte, CAF aro PT Minister Sri TH Sadia Prata, MPs Maharaj Sana Chaupa, Leshimpa, Dr. RK Ranjan aro alak MLAs kan bi Pratna Kuriya session de ahishe. SOPs kan sob julagina program doloshe aro agede taikan 1 minute silence rakishe manukan kun COVID-19 nimide chan jaishe idukan nimide Chief Minister Prakoshe manukan monde shandi aro akha pabule nimide diktar homoy isorge ashirwad pabule pratna kuriye kushe itia dunia ge pandemic pra biya se lagaigina rakhyado manipur bi charianai kushe state de idia 800 manu laka opor muricha aro active cases 9000 par kuriapi jonaigina kushe Itu nimide thorom sob miligina pratna kuribole lagi jaise aro itu bra communities alag alag kange unite kurigina pandemic ke atma laga takot pra larai kuribole koise state de active cases uthi thakya do testing bishi kuriya nimide ase koigina singbra hotai din daikan 8000 to 9000 samples test kuriya ase koise positivity rate to 8% de giria aro manu muria laga rate pi komdi hua junaise
Prime Minister Narendra Modi pra aju nation gi khota kwa homoy center pra 18 sal opokhan gi June 21 pra ge free COVID vaccines duly announced kushe center pra 75% total vaccine production do manufacturers logo pra kinigina state sokar ge free pra diwo kushe aro 25% vaccines to private hospital ge diwo kushe aro kushe June 21 pra sop manu 18 sal opokhan ge free vaccines diwo kushe The arrangement do ahiwule 2 weeks to implement kuri jabo kushe PM kushe idu 2 week majode central aro state sokar do lagya preparations kurbo kushe nutun guidelines hisabte Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Hospital di kumba din agire COVID-19 patients ekjon murija laga relatives kumba pra hospital laga ICU warte Saman Khan bhangai dia laga incident opor Manipur Chief Minister N. Byron Singh pra kushe niga incident alag time de bi hui thake aro mamla ge investigate kuri ase
Manipur laga Imphal East District de thagya JNIM's hospital laga COVID-19 ICU ward te patient Morija laga relatives kan pra saman khan phangai dia laga incident de Chief Minister N Biren Singh para koshe hospital staff aro patient laga party kan machode alag time de bi iniga misunderstanding hoi thage kintu edu mamla ge etia investigation jai ase aya din kande aro bi iniga nahobo nimite report laga hisab te ekta 33 sal dagya maiki kun COVID-19 nimite murishe dalaka kormanu kan bara COVID-19 laga ICU ward ke biya kurigina oxygen concentrator aro alag equipments kan bi phangai dia koise patient do condition bishi biya hoigina 3 din hospital de thake koise idu incident opore police pra duijun ge turigina ase
Coronavirus vaccine induced antibody T3 COVID para healthcare workers kan laga opor purigina preliminary study de Covishield para Covaxin ge bishi antibodies banai pashe Study de healthcare workers kan kun Covishield laga duita dose pilushe tai kan logode seropositivity rate aro anti-spike antibody production bi bishi hwa dikhi pashe study para kushe tai kan first dose la time de para hi Covaxin lo manu khan ke bi bishi anti-spike antibody thakya dikhi ashe study do itia peer review kuri ase study para kushe vaccine duita bi bhal response paise 552 healthcare workers kan laga mojode 456 para Covishield lushe aro 96 June Covaxin sob milakina 79.3% para first dose bichire seropositivity dikhaise Covishield lo khan logode anti-spike antibody laga responder rate aro median IQR bishi thagishe idu study de manu participate kuriya khan kumba manu SARS-CoV-2 lagigina phalushe kintu kumba manu kitabi infection do lagya nai SARS-CoV-2 anti-spike binding antibody ge 4 ta time points pra assess kuri ase first dose la pichire 21 din noile idu gibi bishi aro second dose la 6 mahina pichire itia jai thake study pra duita vaccine laga second dose la pichire immune response kiniga hobo itu ahia din kam prajaniwa. The next news. Indian Space Research Development para tinta types ventilators develop kurishe COVID-19 larai kurule. Bengaluru Headquarters Space Agency laga website te post koya hisabte portable critical care ventilator system de sophisticated control system ase kushe air pressure sensor low sensor oxygen sensor servo actuator aro expiration aro positive and expiratory pressure milagina yade clinicians pra ventilation mode select kurule parwa aro parameters to touch screen panel pra monitor kurubo kushe ventilator do lagia oxygen air mixture flow do patients lungs te deliver kurule parabo kushe clinicians pra parameter rate set kuri hisabte ventilator de external battery bi attach kurule vision ase kushe light na thaka time de ISRO pra kushe intensive care unit grade positive pressure mechanical ventilator pra patients ke SAS diule sis kurbo kushe respiratory distress take time de Junta pra hatai dia Myanmar laga leader Aung San Suu Kyi laga trial ahi hafta de shuru kurule ase kuina talaga lawyer pra khobor jane dishe Aung San Suu Kyi laga lawyer Min Sopra Monday de Suu Kyi ge capital Naypyidaw de lokpa pichide kushe tai kan plaintiff or witnesses kan logode testimonies kan pawa next hearing de Suu Kyi laga lawyer pra tage khali dui bar hi log pawole parise junta pra tage house arrest thalita pichide te laga legal case kan diri huigina lawyers kan bi tai kan laga client ke log pawole dikta hui regise Myanmar de bishi jamala huigina ase idu sal February 1 de ku hwa nimide hodai din protest jai thakya pra country the nationwide civil disobedience movement jaise monitoring group laga hisab te itia tak 850 civilians muri ase Aung San Suu Kyi laga khilaf criminal charges kan thalegina ase junta pra edu kan laga mojode coronavirus niyam kan nachola aro walkie talkie license na thakigina thuria bi ase Myanmar laga military pra ta laga political party National League for Democracy ge dissolve kurule bi dhamki dishe Central Board of Secondary Education Prakushe Class 12 Practical Exam do online mode te huwa aro June 28 agede marks to upload kurule announce kushe
Aji June 7 day Central Board of Secondary Education para schools khan kun practicals aro internal assessment pending ase itu khan ke online mode te kuri lobi koise practicals aro subjects te kun external evaluation lage itu do external evaluators para exam date fesla kuri lobi koise internal examiners ke consultation kurina aro viva voice to online meeting de conduct kuribo koise dusra khan do school teachers para internal assessment conduct kuribo koise online mode te board para koise class 12 practical project internal assessment conduct koribole policy do joldi declare kuri dibi koise aro criteria fesla koribole committed bonaise koise aro itu report to 10 din machode committee para submit koribo koise
Amphotericin e shots law pichre 27 black fungus patients nishna mass symptoms sakya complaint kushe Pandal Khan Medical College Madhya Pradesh laga Sagar district
Amphotericin B shots loa pichide 27 black fungus patients nishna mild symptoms takya complaint kurishe Bundelkhand Medical College Madhya Pradesh laga Sagar district te koina officials pra Saturday din de junai dishe odo incident hua pichide medical college pra amphotericin B to chula bon kuri dishe Dr Umesh Patel Medical College spokesperson para kuishe 42 patients BMC mucormycosis te admit hoikina se odo de 27 patients to amphotericin B injection administer kurikina ase injection loa pichide patients kan mild symptoms shivering vomiting aro mild bukhar hwa dikhi paise utukarne chola rukhai dishe Patel koise itia the patients laga condition to stable ase Madhya Pradesh Rajasthan Bihar Gujarat Punjab Haryana Karnataka Odisha Telangana aro Tamil Nadu para mucormycosis to epidemic diseases act laga bitore notifiable disease declared kuri dishe
Nidai Roundup News Saragi Hombil TV